Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll do a complete post-market analysis of Nifty, and most importantly, we'll compare what we predicted in the morning with what actually happened in the market. No editing, no excuses, just pure price action and truth. This is how real traders build confidence. Morning prediction recap. Let's quickly recap our morning prediction. We said, global cues were mixed. Nifty bias was flat to mildly positive. Expectation was range-bound movement. Strategy was trade only near support and resistance. Very important. We clearly said, this is not a trending day. This is a patience testing day. What Nifty actually did today. Now look at today's chart. From opening till close, what did Nifty do? No big trending candles. No strong follow-through buying. No panic selling. Continuous sideways movement. This is a textbook flat market. Price moved, but direction didn't. Range confirmation on chart. Notice something very important here. Nifty respected the same zone again and again. Every rise faced selling. Every deep found buyers. Candles stayed overlapping. This confirms one thing. Big players were inactive. Market was waiting, not deciding. This is exactly what a range-bound market looks like. Why the prediction matched perfectly? Let's understand why today behaved exactly as predicted. US markets, flat negative, no global push. Asian markets, weak, no follow-through. Europe, positive, downside protected. USD INR stable, no panic. Crude ignored, no inflation fear. Everything balanced each other. When forces cancel each other out, market goes sideways. What trapped traders today? Today was dangerous for emotional traders. Buying green candles. Shorting red candles. Overtrading in the middle. But disciplined traders did one thing. They waited. They traded levels. Or they stayed out. And staying out is also a successful trading decision. Key lesson from today. Today teaches a very important lesson. Prediction is not about exact points. Prediction is about market nature. We didn't predict highs or lows. We predicted behavior. And behavior was flat, slow, range bound. That's professional analysis. Final word: build trust. This is why. Levels matter more than news. Patience matters more than activity. Capital protection matters more than profits. If this post-market review helped you, like the video. Subscribe for daily level-based analysis. Comment, discipline, if you followed the plan today.